Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday that I'm going to throw in there. Something that I've learned that I really want to share with you. Now, we all love the Frosted Floral Designer Series paper, don't we? I mean, I think this is the best paper that they've had in a long time. It's shimmering. Can you see that? It shimmers. But it comes in great designs, but there is something lacking. I wanted to do my Christmas cards, and you'll see me doing Christmas cards here in a little bit, but here I love Under the Mistletoe, and I really wish it would shimmer. You know, the shimmering is something I really like. So I found out you can make it shimmer. All you need is some rubbing alcohol. I got this is 70%, and some of our Frost White Shimmer Paint. Let's see, right there. Yeah, some of our Frost White Shimmer Paint. Okay, and then you're going to need one of our spritzers. Now, I filled this probably midway with rubbing alcohol, and then I put some of the shimmering paint in. Not a lot, but enough, maybe 20, 30 drops or a little pour or something like that. Now I'm shaking it up because it's been sitting there. And I'm just going to take it off, take the cover off, and figure out which side spritz is. And what I am going to do is I'm going to take this, and you can see it doesn't shine, doesn't shimmer really, and I am going to make shimmer. It dries really quickly. If you don't want it to curl, just put it on something, or you can hold it down, and once it dries it won't shimmer, or it won't and oh, I missed a little spot, so you can just go back again. And there you've got your own, see it shimmer now? Your own shimmer paper. And so, you know, I'm going to do a bunch of Christmas cards because I haven't done my Christmas cards yet. And we want an easy, simple stamping Christmas card. And what is easier and simpler than we're going to take all of my designer series, well, not all of it, but at least what's in this pack, and make it shimmer paper. Now you can do it to both sides if you want. Then you won't have to worry about what side you want to use. I would suggest doing this in a box, but since I don't have a box, I'm doing it here, and I'm probably ruining like 4 or 5 sheets of grid paper. See, I did it to both sides there. Yep, almost out. So, anyhow, to make your own shimmer paper, again, all you need to do is your whatever designer series paper you have, some rubbing alcohol, our Frost White Shimmer Paint, and our one of our spritzers. And the higher you go, the more it sprays. The lower you go, the thicker it is. So there you have it. I made my own shimmer paper. And you can do this with cardstock too if you want. Oh, that's that side. Oh, see, look it. You can tell the difference, can't you? So, thanks for visiting. Sign up for my YouTube channel, and everything you need to know to purchase this is down below. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.